Why has being an introvert been the best thing to happen to my photography? See, when I was younger, I was kind of social, but then there was a period of time where somehow I just became very shy. And I'm telling you, I became shy to the point where if someone wanted me to get a napkin from a waiter, or if I had to ask for like a bag at a grocery store, I'd be so shy I wouldn't go up to them, and sometimes I wouldn't even talk to people. So I was very, very closed off, and it became a thing where it actually impacted my life, and I couldn't talk to people. I couldn't even talk to girls because I liked them. So it was tough. So why has that impacted me to this day as a photographer? So going through the difficulties of being an introvert, you ultimately learn that you can't really live life easily that way. And I'm not saying that you have to come out of your shell and really put yourself out there, but you do realize that you need people's help for a lot of things. And being an introvert, you very much so can't easily get to the other side where you're talking to people and really socializing and things. It's hard. So having something like a camera in my hand has made it easier for me to talk to people. And that obviously was really easy when I was starting out and I was still in university and I was a little bit more shy. Granted, I was getting along that level where I can start being more social, but it was tough. I would talk to people and I would just take pictures of everything. And the best part was, in university, I managed to get myself a photography job with the student union. And this was great because it, first of all, gave me experience as a photographer, but more so than anything, it really forced me to interact with the people who are running events and just in general administration. And that really helped because I learned so much. I really gained a lot of social skills, and more so than anything, I gained a lot of friends. So every time I would walk around university and I'd talk to people, or I'd even just wave hi, it would just be something of a pleasure to talk to people and just see them again. Since the university I went to was reasonably sized, it wasn't like you don't see people ever again. You really do actually run people a lot there, and a lot of people know each other. So it kind of worked out a lot of different ways too. So that being said, it was a great thing for me to become a photographer because it really forced me out of my shell. The other thing I've realized that when I did all those events and really did cover a lot of different things and do a lot of different shoots, I also realized during that entire time that having a camera in my hand was literally like a social hack. That's because a lot of people like pictures nowadays, especially with Instagram and Snapchat, like all these other apps that have photography included, or photos included, I should say. A camera is like a puppy almost. It's literally something that's a conversation starter. Regardless if you just take the photo and if it's bad or not, people are interested. If it's your business, if it's your hobby, what you take pictures of, it's really a conversation starter. For me, that actually became a big thing. And granted, that started my business, which is this right here. So that also helped me really grow my business and talk to more people, talk to clients, become comfortable talking to clients. It literally created an opening for me where it's really not easy to, for the most part, especially for, again, an introvert. Nowadays, I can go up and talk to anyone I want, any pretty girl, any, anything or anyone. And it's just so much easier to interact. And I've really loved the interactions I've had because of that. So I really do owe a lot to cameras and just in general that I have grown as a person because of it. And I mean, even talking to you right now through a camera, it's become a thing. I can talk on a camera now and really not, and ah that much. If you saw some of my early videos, hint, hint, go check them out. They have a lot of cuts, and that's why I took out ums and ahs a lot. And it just became a thing where it was very tough to do. So again, even talking to people on the internet or in person, it became so much easier because of cameras and being able to really learn how to interact through a camera, or again, literally through a camera, because again, I'm talking to a camera. And if you notice, a lot of the stuff I'm saying is not being cut because I really don't change the way I speak now. So I can talk very consistently and not have to, stop and maybe pause nearly as much. So I really do think that taking a camera, if you're an introvert, is basically a life hack or a social hack that'll allow you to expand yourself as a person, but also really up a lot of your communication skills. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some insight, got some value. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any other social media, I'll be right over here. Feel free to hit me up, and I'd love to interact with some of you. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.